EasiPart Medium is ideal for those experiencing beginning to mid-progressive hair loss. Do you like EasiPart or EasiPart XL, but want more coverage and volume in the crown area? Then EasiPart Medium might be right for you. This newly designed topper features more density, a larger base designed for all-over coverage, and a wider polyurethane perimeter. Here is the single monofilament, which allows for multi-directional parting, and the polyurethane perimeter featuring 4 pressure-sensitive clips. If removed, tape and go or adhesive may be applied.